Hey there, frustrated because your wish list isn't showing up on Temu? This guide will walk you through the steps on how to fix wish lists not showing up on Temu. Temu is a popular online shopping platform that simplifies the way you organize and purchase items. However, technical glitches can sometimes get in the way of your shopping experience. Don't worry, I'm here to help you get your wish list back up and running smooth. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First and foremost, ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or fluctuating connection can prevent the Temu app or website from loading your wish list properly. Try refreshing your connection by toggling airplane mode on and off or switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Once your connection is stable, reopen the Temu app or website to see if your wish list appears. Step 2. Update the Temu app. Outdated app versions can cause compatibility issues, leading to glitches like missing features. To fix this, head over to your device's app store and check for updates to the Temu app. Simply tap Update if there's a newer version available. Updating the app can solve various bugs and improve its functionality, potentially bringing your wish list back. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. Cache and cookies stored by the app or browser may interfere with its performance. On iOS or Android, go to your device settings and find the Temu app. Select the option to clear cache or app data. If you're using a browser, go to its settings and clear the cache and cookies. This process will remove temporary files and could resolve the issue of the wish list not displaying. Step 4. Log out and relog into your account. Another simple yet effective method is to log out and then log back into your Temu account. This action can refresh your session and potentially resolve any issues with the wish list. Navigate to the account settings, choose Log Out, and then enter your credentials to log back in. Once logged in, check to see if the wish list now appears. Step 5. Check Temu's server status. Sometimes the issue may not be from your end. Visit websites like Down Detector to check if the Temu servers are experiencing outages or technical difficulty. If the platform is down for maintenance or an update, you'll need to wait until it's back online for full functionality, including the wish list feature. Step 6. Contact Temu support. If you've tried all the steps above and your wish list is still missing, it's time to contact Temu's customer support. Go to Temu's help section on their website or app to find contact options like email, chat, or a customer service hotline. Provide them with relevant details, including account information and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken to help them assist you more effectively. Fixing the issue of your wish list not showing up on Temu can be straightforward using these step-by-step solutions. Whether it's checking your internet connection, updating the app, clearing cache, relogging into your account, or checking server status, there's a method to suit your situation. If all else fails, Temu's dedicated support team is there to help. By following these steps, you can ensure that your online shopping experience remains smooth and enjoyable. Remember, technology can have its hiccup, but with a bit of patience and troubleshooting, you can be back in wishlist paradise in no time. Happy shopping.